Okay. Let's do like the millionth video of how you do a windshield wiper replace on a Tundra. So I bought the high-end Bosch because I'm tired of doing this. And the first question is which adapter? So it's adapter number 2 in the set, or another way to look at it is it's the one with the squeezable ears. There was 4 adapters, only one had the squeezable ears, so that made it pretty good. I tried to get the old one off the right way and it just broke into pieces. So, and these are the crapo brand. So let's try to get this on. So you're gonna need to hook. Okay, so you see that? You need to get that in there. And then you just squeeze this thing. Ready? Bing. It's that easy. So 2007 Tundra, that's how you do it.